With this strategy, I already passed multiple prop firm challenges and managed to get frequent payouts. It works every single day, and it is simple and repeatable. The best part? The strategy contains just 3 simple steps you need to know. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through every detail. So grab your cup of coffee and let's dive in. The first step is the foundation of the strategy. The second step is the setup. The third step is the execution of the trade and risk management. To show you proof that this simple 3-step framework really works, I will walk you through different live trading examples. I will show you step by step how I spot entries and exits and how I manage the trade till the end. Let's start with step 1, the foundation of the strategy. This step answers one key question: when do I trade? Which criteria have to be matched before I am even allowed to look for setups? The goal is to trade when there is volatility in the markets. That's why we choose the first hour of one of the major trading sessions, New York, London, or Asia. During this hour, big players come into the market. That creates volatility. We mark the high and the low of the opening range. Now we are ready to start looking for entry signals, which leads us to step 2, the setup. Now that the opening range has formed, we need to identify the direction of the market. That's why we wait for a breakout above or below the opening range. You can look for the breakout on the 1-minute or 5-minute chart. It works perfectly on both. But if you want more signals, choose the 1-minute chart. To confirm a breakout, we need a clean close outside the range, and then a clean new high above the range, or a clean new low below the range after we break down. With the direction of the breakout, we know if the market wants to continue higher or dive lower. That's also how we know if we are looking for long or short trades, and that's step 3, the execution. We are waiting for a pullback to the opening range. The important thing here, we stay above the opening range and don't close below. After the pullback, we look for a candlestick pattern to confirm the setup using pure price action. This can be a morning or evening star pattern, a 3-line strike pattern, an engulfing pattern, or one of the other high probability candlestick patterns out there. In this case, we have a clean close above the previous 2 candles, which signals strong upward momentum. That's our entry. We place the stop loss below the opening range high and use 2 times the risk as the target. If it provides a better risk-reward ratio, you can also target a previous high. Now we follow the trend higher and look for further entries after pullbacks. Like here, we pull back to a previous high and then confirm a morning star pattern. Entry at candle close, stop loss below the pullback. Again, 2 times the risk as the target. It's the same in downtrends. We look for pullbacks to previous lows, then a bearish candlestick pattern. Entry at the candle close, stop loss above the pullback. And again, 2 times the risk as the target, or a nearby support level if it provides a better ratio. Now, as promised, here are some real trading examples using this strategy. It works great on crypto assets like Ethereum, Solana, or like in this example, Bitcoin. We are looking at setups on the 5-minute chart. The opening range has formed. Now we get a breakdown below the range, followed by a pullback. We don't get a clean signal right away and are not able to catch an entry. Here comes the next pullback, and right afterwards we confirm an evening star pattern. That's an A+ signal. Entry at the candle close, stop loss above the opening range low, we use 2 times the risk as the target. Here comes the next example. The strategy also works great on futures like NQ and ES. We are on the ES 5-minute chart. The opening range has formed. In the next step, we get a breakout above the opening range. After a pullback, we get a strong signal when this candle closes above the high of the previous 2 candles. That is our entry signal, stop loss below the opening range high. 2 times the risk as the target. The market continues higher. We get another pullback to the previous high. Right afterwards, we form a strong candlestick pattern, candle closing above the high of the previous 3 candles. Stop loss below the pullback. 2 times the risk again as the target. Honestly, finding these candlestick patterns manually can be quite challenging. That's why I use the TrendBars Pro indicator. It catches exactly these candlestick pattern-based signals fully automatically with customizable alerts. And it also visualizes the pullbacks right before a signal. In this case, we have the pullback. The trend bars turn red before we confirm a bullish reversal bar, which was our entry. On the second pullback, the trend bars turned red. Then we printed the first green trend bar again after we tested the previous high. In this strong uptrend, this was the perfect entry signal. To display the opening range, I am using another indicator, the Opening Range Pro by TRN Trading. It's perfect in combination with the Trend Bars Pro to detect the breakout of the range, spot the pullback, and give you predefined levels to use as a target. You don't need these indicators to trade this strategy. It is completely free. But if you want a serious edge to achieve your trading goal, like passing prop firm challenges, earning passive income through trading, or just improving your current trading results, they are the perfect match. They will save you a lot of time and give you perfect accuracy. Check the first link in the description to get instant access. And if you want to dive deeper into strategies like this one and how they can be used as part of a professional trading system capable of achieving your trading goals, take part in our free live webinar where we will explain this in any detail. Link is in the description as well. Slots are limited, so don't wait too long. That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.